Oh, for goodness sake.
This is a problem we often face in our daily lives. A broken zipper. It can happen on bags, jackets, or even pants. Another common issue is when the zipper head comes off the track. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to share a simple tip on how to fix it easily. You can try this yourself without needing anyone's help. The first step is to use a lighter to tidy up any loose threads coming out of the stitching. Why a lighter? Because it's more practical and efficient than using scissors or a knife. If those threads are left hanging, they can get stuck in the zipper and cause it to jam. Remember, use the lighter carefully and only as much as needed, so you don't accidentally burn the bag, jacket, or pants you're repairing. Next, position the zipper in an open state and make sure the zipper head is all the way to the end. Use pliers to press the metal parts of the zipper head that have become loose. Over time, the metal on the zipper head can loosen, causing the zipper to stop working properly. To fix this, gently press both the right and left sides of the zipper head with the pliers. This will tighten the metal again, allowing the zipper to function normally. Take a look at the result. The zipper is now working normally again. Now for the second tip, how to fix a zipper that has come off the track. The first step is the same as before. Remove any loose threads or tiny fibers around the zipper. Next, use a spoon to gently pry open the metal part of the zipper head. This makes it easier to insert the zipper track back into the head. Once it's slightly open, insert the zipper track into the zipper head. Make sure the zipper head is in the fully open position and pushed all the way to the end. Finally, press the metal part of the zipper head back together slowly using pliers. This will keep the zipper from coming off easily and allow it to work normally again. The result? Amazing! The zipper is back to normal and ready to use again. If you found this tip helpful, support us by hitting the subscribe button and joining our community. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next creative video.